Hey everyone! Welcome to the very first day of the Maygical Strokes Challenge. Today, I'm starting off with a watercolor butterfly on newspaper.
Tall buildings, as the chemicals they take us higher.
We begin by painting the inner feathers of the wing, starting with a rich blue and blending it gently into green, finishing with a touch of yellow to brighten it up. Next, I move to the outer feathers. I start with blue and then lightly blend in green, creating a soft and smooth transition between the colors.
We're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Now, I'm using a darker shade of blue to add a little depth and definition to the wings.
Now the morning is the afternoon.
Here, I'm adding fine blue lines to enhance the structure of the feathers.
The laugh so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to.
I'm also outlining the tips of the feathers in blue for more clarity and pop.
Wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna.
Moving on to the lower wing, I'm following the same blending style with blue and green to maintain harmony in the design.
Two hearts running wild.
Art tip. When blending watercolors, work quickly while the paint is still wet to achieve smooth transitions. Timing is everything.
The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay on forever. We'll never have regrets.
Now, for the small feather peeking from the other side, I just use simple blue.
From the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.
Then I begin painting the body of the butterfly, starting with gray and darkening it gradually.
Two hearts running wild. We're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild.
Next, I pick up my black sketch pen and go over the outlines.
Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. As we shout from the top, we're gonna be.
Then I use a blue sketch pen to detail the inner wing parts, and a green one to add extra vibrancy.
Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed.
Using the blue sketch pen, I add little dots inside the wings to give it a magical and detailed finish. Outlining the lower wing now, just like the upper one.
We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light. Pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep.
Adding those blue blends again for symmetry.
Shout from the top. We're gonna be. We're gonna be. Two hearts running wild.
And lastly, I write butterfly at the top using a bold black sketch pen in a font style of my choice. That's it for day one of the Maygical Strokes Challenge. Let me know in the comments how you liked this concept of watercolor on newspaper. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more magical strokes coming your way. Stay creative and see you tomorrow.